In this video, we will take a look at the algorithm for checking if a string is a valid palindrome. A phrase is a palindrome if, after converting all uppercase letters into lowercase letters and removing all non-alphanumeric characters, it reads the same forward and backward. Alphanumeric characters include letters and numbers. Given a string S, we are asked to return true if it is a palindrome or false otherwise. One approach we could take to solve this problem is to convert each character in the string to lowercase, remove all non-alphanumeric characters from the string, reverse the string, and check if the forwards and backwards strings are equal. If so, then we know that the string input into the program is in fact a palindrome.